Why does your scanner show the P0169 engine code? What does it mean? P0169 is a diagnostic trouble code for incorrect fuel composition. The P0169 engine error code stands for incorrect fuel composition. It means the powertrain control module, PCM, has detected that the quality, type, or mixture of fuel in your tank does not match its calibrated parameters. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: contaminated fuel, incorrect fuel type, bad fuel composition, sensor, faulty wiring, PCM issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Chevrolet, Chrysler, Jaguar, and Volkswagen. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.